You're in luck.
My guess.
Everybody, it's Will Gleason.
That's right. He's our next guest. He's one of the experts at all things New York. Hold on.
Yes.
Give him his formal title.
The master of
Like,
the
really?
universe. The captain of the Western Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere and the Northern Hemisphere for Time Out New York, Will Gleason.
Yes, the director of festive cheer today.
I love that you gave yourself a title today.
No, well, usually we talk about things to do, like going out in the city.
Right.
This is a really great thing to do before you go out.
Right.
Yes,
Amazing.
I love it.
Exactly. Now,
But first and foremost, who did you bring with you today?
This is my husband, Fareed.
finally we get to meet you.
Thank you for finally bringing him into our home.
finally meet you.
We have tracked your wedding since when you first got engaged.
I know.
The group chat, our group chat for the show was a buzz when this weekend was happening.
Yes.
So formally, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And
Thanks for
thank
having
you for
us here
celebrating
today.
the holidays with us.
Yeah,
Yes.
we're so
Yeah, of
excited to be
course.
here.
So what are we making today?
So this is a cocktail that we often make around the holidays. It's kind of our berry festive raspberry gin champagne.
Okay.
So you can see
And
here
you wore
it's
a
like a
very colored
lovely
cashmere
Tried to
sweater. Hello.
match as
Don't
much
be
as,
ridiculous.
as we could here. As a lovely red and green color. So yeah, I mean, it's a cocktail that we learned from our friend Kevin. It's a family recipe that he's had for a long time.
Okay.
Starts with some berries and some mint. So we're starting already with some red and green here, colors of the season.
Oh, wow.
Can you choose any berry, or does it need to be a raspberry?
Raspberries preferably because they're going
They
to give you that
muddle nicely.
nice red color also.
Okay.
That makes
Yes,
it
look
look
at how
extra
gorgeous
festive.
she is.
Okay.
Also, we're going to get a little bit more red when we add the pomegranate in a
Well,
second.
excuse
so
us.
you're going to do 6 raspberries in there. You're going to tear up about 4, 5, or 6 mint leaves,
Okay.
fresh mint leaves.
Look at you.
Get some
I'm
aromatics
sorry, I'm
in
terribly
that.
distracted by your diamond, but here we are.
I know. We got it. Sparkling. From the sparkly nails to the sparkly rings.
Now, who
the
does most of
season.
the cooking in this house?
I would say Will does most of the cooking, actually. He's definitely the chef. I'm the baker.
Okay. All right.
And we're going to get to your part.
we'll get
We need
to.
you as well.
Yeah.
All right, you're
Look at
living
this.
your life.
Definitely a
Quinn.
chef.
Look at this
You muddle. It's going to get a nice pulp, going to be a nice kind of like consistency throughout the drink there.
Nice.
So I know this is like a Swiss Army knife.
I love that. I need one of those in my
See,
kitchen.
he's the Grand Master of the universe.
He knows
for Time
everything.
Out
I'm
New York
still
and
kind of
muddling.
figuring out some things that it can do. There's like a lot of secret compartments there. So
Wow,
you've got a
it
nice
really is a
muddle
Swiss
here.
Army knife. Okay, beautiful.
You're gonna take half a lemon.
Oh.
You're gonna juice that in here.
Oh, sure.
That's gonna give it a nice brightness, some acidity.
I love
Look
that.
at this.
And then to kind of balance that, I met a cocktail writer last night, and I told her I was doing this. And I
Okay.
said, this recipe calls for sugar. I'm not sure if I should include it. It's like simple syrup. Some people don't like
Sure,
sugary
too
drinks.
sweet.
And she said, no, it's not always about the sweetness with something like simple syrup or sugar. It's about kind of like the balance in the cocktail.
Ah, yes.
And balancing that tartness.
So we're simple.
She
simple
convinced me.
syruping.
She convinced me. So
Okay.
we're gonna
She
do
is an expert.
about 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup in here.
Okay.
This is some homemade simple syrup. Just kind of boil together some
Sure.
equal parts sugar and water for that.
Yeah.
Now we're getting to the business.
Here we go.
Now
there
we're
you
getting to the core of the drink. So
I
you're
see
gonna
something
do
I like.
about 1.5 ounces of gin.
You know who would like this?
Who?
Dr. Lander.
Dr. Lander. He does love
An ounce
himself
and
a
a
gin.
half
And
of
then
pomegranate.
pomegranate juice.
Yeah, that's going to add to that kind of really
the color.
nice red color and add kind of a more complex berry flavoring.
Sure.
And then you just shake that for
Shake
as
it,
long
shake it,
as you
shake it, shake it,
can.
shake it, shake it.
Shake, shake. And then you're going to put in some ice. So you're probably going to put in about 4 or so ice cubes.
Okay.
You don't want to have too much because you're going to also fill it with Prosecco.
Oh, and we don't want to
that's-
shake that.
So
Definitely
you add
don't
the
want to
ice
shake
cubes.
that.
That's
I
a
learned
nice
that the
metal
hard way.
from the muddle and the shake. You add the ice cubes. And now you shake it for as long as you can until
While
it gets
you're
too cold.
shaking that,
Please tell us about the sweet treats we have over here,
Yeah,
Fareed. I'm going to
of
pass them
course.
down.
I can help switch with Will.
yes. What do we have here?
Yeah, so here we have Snickerdoodle.
Is this a fan favorite? This
I
is
love-
a family
I love
favorite.
This is a family favorite.
we have these every
I love
year.
these in
They're
particular. I
delicious.
think just like a delicious cinnamon sugar warm cookie. It's perfect for the holidays.
smells so
Feels
good.
very warm and cozy. And the best part about it, they're very easy to make.
And probably
Super
easy
simple.
to eat.
Marisol, you're not
Very
even
easy.
waiting to get to the table.
And hopefully they're delicious.
I'm so glad you made these for
I'm
me.
gonna restrain.
Yay,
Not
no
sharing
problem.
any.
Yeah, there's
Let's go.
24, they're all yours.
Thank you.
-1.
Yep.
All right.
All right, so
Your
there's the
beloved
base
has
of
made
this.
his shake, shake, shake.
All we have to do now is top it with some festive
A nice little floater.
Prosecco. Give it some bubbles.
Wow.
And then we're going to top that with a little
Look at
garnish.
how fun that is.
An extra little red and green pop with 1 more raspberry and 1 more mint.
Mint.
And they're very light and refreshing and delicious.
It's not going to
They're
knock you out
great drinks.
before the meal or while you're having your cocktail party.
I think this is
I
going to carry
mean-
you through holiday season.
You know what? Anna, this
Wonderfully.
cookie is staring at me.
And pairs perfectly with the snickerdoodle.
And Freeze, thank you both so much.
Cheers.
Thank you. Yeah, excited.
I think we need to bring all this stuff over to the
Let's do
Will?
it.
Bring
yeah,
these-
of course.
We're gonna go this way.
in
We're
line.
gonna add all these tasty deliciousness to the
What
table.
are we calling this, Will? I forget.
It's our berry festive,
Oh, berry festive.
raspberry gin champagne.
Fantastic. And wherever you see a spot,
All right.
put your delicious snickerdoodles. For those of you
over
keeping
here.
score at home, we have a stromboli, we have a shrimp picadillo, we have a pastel, a pastelillo, a berry
Festive
raspberry gin cocktail.
There you
And a
go.
snickerdoodle, you know, or you love her.
I need a drink of this after all that.